Welcome home to Disney's Beach Club Resort. I hope you enjoyed the opening intro. In this video, I will be doing a tour of the resort as well as a tour of the villa's room we stayed in, and an overall review of the resort compared to other Disney resorts we've also stayed at. So we're walking up to the main entrance, and as you can see, this has a vintage beach vibe to it, with an old Chevy beach car up front, which is really cool. Nice place to take some photos. Here we're walking into the main lobby where you're certain to be greeted by a cheerful cast member, and they will guide you over to the check-in area. The cast member offered stickers for our son as we waited in line to check into our room. The architecture in the lobby is amazing. In case you're not familiar, Disney doesn't offer a traditional room key. You get a magic band, which is multi-purpose and acts as your room key, your pass into the park, a fast pass, and you can even pair a credit card to use your magic band as payment around Disney. It's also waterproof, so you don't have to worry about getting it wet. Coming out of the main lobby is the amazing courtyard. Disney's grounds are second to none, and you're sure to see a vibrant array of colors. As you continue down the main strip, you walk directly into a sandy beach. This is a perfect place to escape from the busy and crowded pool area. Here is a reverse look heading back toward the lobby. This is the quintessential beach club photo op, as you can see the stunning architecture of the resort and the vivid landscaping. So the main pool is exclusive to only guests of the resort. They make you scan your magic band to enter the pool area, and you get a wristband. This pool is one of a kind with a 2.5-foot deep section with beach sand for kids. This is the main attraction to the resort for many, including my family. The pool still has a cement bottom, but as you can see, there is a big sand pile in the middle, which spreads well out into the pool, making a soft, unique swimming experience for all. There are several sections of the pool, including a kids slide, a lazy river, as well as other smaller pools outside of each villa. For lunch, we ate at Hurricane Hannah's Waterside Bar and Grill, where you can get a nice variety of sandwiches, chicken nuggets, burgers, and easy finger foods to eat around the pool area. The kids' meal nuggets came in a bucket that can be used afterwards to dig in the sand. There is also a bar for the adults. Onto our room, we stayed in one of the villas on the second floor. As you enter the room, you're greeted to a nicely lit open floor plan. To the right is a mini kitchen area with a sink, fridge, microwave, and coffee maker. The bathroom sink area is pretty standard with most resorts. This storage closet was nice, had a nice pack and play for babies and extra blankets and pillows, safe, and even a vacuum cleaner. Moving on into the room, you have a spacious room with plenty of seating and storage. There was a nice balcony area to sit outside and enjoy the Florida weather. Here's a reverse look back at the room from the balcony. The bathroom was a little bit larger than other Disney resorts that we stayed at. It also had a larger shower head than usual. The couch is a couch bed that pulls out. I thought this was neat. A single-size bed folds out of the TV area, and at first glance you won't even notice it's there. So the marketplace is a grocery store, gift shop, and breakfast area combined. The gift shop is much smaller with less toys compared to other resorts we've stayed at. You can order a small breakfast here. They do have Mickey waffles. Oh, and coffee. We ate dinner and dessert at the Beaches and Cream Soda Shop. The resort restaurant is mostly seafood, and our family isn't a big fan of seafood. It has a vintage vibe with good food and even better desserts. It's small and the wait times are long. We waited about 1.5 hours for dinner, but it was worth it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. My family and I really enjoyed our stay at the Beach Club Resort. Even though we only stayed for one night, we really got to take in pretty much everything, and the weather was great that day, as you can see. So we've stayed at a few other Disney resorts, as I mentioned in the video, and compared to those other resorts, we paid a little bit more for this room. It was a little bit less Disney themed, and what I mean by that is really there's not as many toys or character drawings around the resort. So in my opinion, based off of staying here, I think that this resort is going to appeal more towards the adults, or maybe towards people that admire architecture. I think also people that just enjoy the whole beach vibe also are really going to enjoy staying at the resort. It is nice for kids though as well, because the pool area is a lot of fun, and that's probably the only time we'll ever get to swim in a pool that actually had sand in an area of the bottom. So that was really cool. Kid can run around and jump in the sand and not have to worry about falling and getting scratched up. So it was just a really cool experience to swim in that pool. The only negative I have to say is if you're not familiar with the resort and you're walking down the main thoroughfare out of the lobby and you're going towards the pool, you have this nice sidewalk along the beach water. And I was following the map along there, and I thought that I could access my room from the back when we were going to check in. And we ended up walking for a good 10 minutes only to find out that there was no way that would lead back to the front. And there was no signage anywhere that we could see. And compared to other resorts we've stayed at, usually there's signs on all the buildings and maps along the way that pretty much guide you from getting lost. And this was the first time that we've ever actually wasted our time walking and had to walk all the way back to get back to the main lobby, and then cut through the main lobby to get to our room. So overall, we really enjoyed our stay. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you want to follow along on our next Disney adventure, make sure you subscribe down below. Leave a comment if you have any questions or anything like that. And as always, see you guys in the next video.